Next question,
Hi,
please.
good afternoon, I'm Joy. Question lang kasi I have a life insurance, particularly Sun Life. So I was just wondering, ano yung ma-advise mo? Mas okay ba na i-pull out ko yung life insurance ko kasi parang mas okay yung kikitain ko sa stocks or i-diversify ko yung mga ano ko, ay mga kita ko.
Yes, thank you. By the way, I'm also a Sun Life advisor. Alright, to answer. Ito kasi, the thing is, nag-evolve ng insurance natin, di ba? Meron ng insurance with investment, di ba? May gano'n na tayo. Pero magkahiwalay pa rin yan. Insurance is to cover yourself, to protect your income. And that's the basic. Before you even invest in the stock market, you have to get insured, especially if you are the breadwinner. I will teach you the computation for your life coverage. If you're the breadwinner, Sir William, sample natin si Sir William, married, di ba? You have how many kids? 2 kids. Young, old, bata pa? 1-year-old and 5-year-old, di ba? Breadwinner po or both working? Breadwinner si Sir. How much is your insurance, if I may ask? Meron na po ba? Sa company. And usually, pag company group insurance, mga 2M? 2M, 1M, okay. So, si Sir has a life insurance of 2 million. If something happens to him, his family will get 2 million, right? That 2 million, you think it will last them years? Or 1 or 2 years only? 1 and 5-year-old. Is that enough? No. Do you know how much you need to be covered for? Okay, let's compute. How much is the monthly expenses of the family now? 30,000, 40,000, give me a figure. 50,000, let's compute. 50,000. Calculator, labas. 50,000 times 12 is? 600,000. Divided by 4%. I'm giving you 4% because right now, inflation rate is at 4%. Diba? Kung tatagal siya ng years, we have to beat inflation. So, divided by 4%, how much? How much po? 15 million? No. It should be about 15M. 15 million. Why 15 million? Yun ang dapat niyang coverage right now. Why? Because he's the breadwinner. If something happens to him, his family gets 15M, right? Gagastusin ba nila yun? No. They have to invest that in a fund that will earn 4% at least so that the monthly expenses of 50,000 will be covered. So the 15 million is him. Replaced him. He's already gone, but he's still there in spirit, in 15 million spirit, invested in a 4% fund. Parang nagbibigay pa rin siya ng 50,000 every month sa family niya, hindi na bago ang buhay ng family niya. Nag-gets na po natin? Amen! Amen sa insurance. If you're not educated properly on insurance, please educate yourself because your 1 million, 100,000, 2 million, 5 million insurance is not enough. Especially if you are the breadwinner, please make sure that your family, when you're gone, something happens to you, buhay pa rin sila. And we don't think na hindi tayo mamatay agad, kasi I'm very healthy, hindi ako mamatay agad. Remember, there are 1,000 dumb ways to die already. You know that song, Dumb Ways to Die? Yung mga may kids dyan, nag-selfie lang, nalaglag sa hagdan. It's a dumb way to die, and I'm pretty sure that family will be suffering because that person is not insured because that person is still a teenager. Correct? So insurance is different. It has a different purpose. Please, let's not mix insurance with investment. But if the BUL that you're talking about, actually the BUL is a mix of, it's a combination of investment and insurance, which if you are not familiar with, try to educate yourself. Ang financial house natin is emergency fund. You have to have an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months equivalent of your income. Alright? Why emergency fund? Kasi para in case of emergency, yun ang itatouch natin. It should just be in the bank, not invested in stocks. So parang lagi tayo may makukuha. Especially for the women, we have to have emergency fund. Kasi bakit? Lagi nagsisale si Mega Mall. 3 days sale. So, emergency fund, right? So, Pagpupunod, di ba? And our husband should provide that. The emergency fund. Okay, so emergency fund, health insurance, why? Again, kasi iba naman yung life sa health. Nagkasakit ka and ubos agad ang savings mo. Kung in-invest mo lang siya, wala kang health insurance. Alright? And of course, life insurance is again different. So health insurance, life insurance, and emergency fund, that's your foundation. Medyo magiging mahina yung financial house mo if you don't have a strong foundation.